Hi guys, in this video we will learn some cool tips on Python and we'll use Pythonic way to solve some of the problems. Okay, and we will learn about list comprehension, string shortcuts, some tips on set type, dict type. We'll use reduce, filter, map, yield. So those are the features that Python have it, but we are not using it, or we are not aware of it. So let's start. So firstly, we will learn about tips on a set type variables, right? So how we can find out the difference between the two set m minus n. You can see we got the set difference. So those are the difference between the m to n. But if you want to know the difference between m to m, then you can see there is a difference of 9 to 13. Others are saying that we have it in m. Okay, how we can combine it? So this is the way how you can combine it. Common in two sets. How we can do that? Am and and. So you can see we have the common in both of them. Next, tips on dict type variable, right? So how we can create the union or combine this two, dict one, then dict two. So you can see next way to we have it as a sorting the dictionary by keys, right? So how we can do this? Very simple and very easy to do that is by using key value for key dot value in dt dot items. Okay, and now this is the way how you can iterate it, but we want them to be sorted, right? So you can see now we got the sorted by the keys. Now how we can do this for the values, right? So same that we have it on the keys, but now the thing will change over here when we are doing the sorting. So instead of sorting it by the keys, we want it to be the values. So how we can do that? By using lambda here, we'll use items, okay? And here I will use what? I will use items first one. So from this item, right? From these items, we have two things. One is key, another is value. So if we want to sort by values, right? That's why I used one over here, and you can see now the values are sorted by the values instead of keys. If I make it to 0, then you can see it's sorted by keys. Now create dictionary of two lists. So how we can do that? Dict z a comma b. So you can see we can create the dictionary like this. Hope you liked it and thank you for watching.